What's the deal? What's the deal, gang? Another Asian session. Our last Asian session of the week, right? Who's excited? I'm excited. Yeah, boy. So we gonna get it in anyway. Let's make it a fun Thursday. Oh, we got a trade today? Me too. We've been ranging and pulling back during Asian, right? Did you get your money back? No, I got my confidence back. Sometimes that's better. Why you ain't breakdancing as your intro? Cause I'm fucking old. I don't know. Cause it's cringe. I feel like knowing how to breakdance in today's world is cringe, corny. My kids think it's corny. Anyway, how's everyone doing? Charts look nice and crispy. Welcome everyone to the clubhouse. The clubhouse is just joining Zoom right now. Give them a second. Kids are like, what the hell are you doing, Pops? That's not cool. I'm well. Hey, big yellow onion. Get on my level. Yeah, drop a like, sub to the channel if you're new here. Let's get into a breakdown. Our daily closed bearish, really nice bearish, strong, motherfucking bearish. Gonna look for a top wick, daily flip. We already have a top wick here on the daily. Flip and a continued drive down. Ooh, 4-hour close bullish, so ideally we have to take positions after we break this previous 4-hour low or this current 4-hour closes bear. If it closes bullish like this, we're going to expect to make a bottom wick for this previous 4-hour and continue driving up. There. So this is our hourly support. Right. Hourly resistance. Why am I drawing with zoom annotations? I have no idea. I will end up moving this right now. On the 5, it's much lower. Start 30. Start 15 and the 5. Now, sells all day below here to retest the lows. Yeah, I'm excited. I got 20,000 candles. You can't fuck with me today on Trading New. I'm the king. I run Trading New today. So it's below this area. We're gonna have a closure. Our buys are looking like they will be above this area. This is where we seem to have a range to breakout. Alright. Look, we can scroll back as far as we fucking want. Beautiful. All we had to do was pay $600. Yeah, this is a nice level. I think, yeah, once we close above here, we tend to drive up. Might be even higher right here. Go with that. Didn't know you Wix was in Crush Groove. I don't even know what that is. Are we good? Don't let the loser tank overheat with all those extra candles. I bought a whole shitload of extra coolers or extra fans. There's 4 or 5 fans in there that are just extra, just for cosmetics. We ain't overheating. One fan per lizard. Wait, what was I just doing? Oh yeah, I was scrolling back because I got 20,000 candles, bitch. That's what's up. Yo, flex of the year, 20,000 candles. Yo, if you ain't trading with 20,000 candles, I don't know what you are doing with your life. Honestly, protect the tank at all costs. Which, believe it or not, I'm waiting for Don's thumbnail more than market volume. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for the thumbnail he's dropping tonight. Hell yeah. If I was gonna, these 20K candles right now on TradingView, chat, this is the best investment I've had, or best thing I've bought all year. Candles be busting. Think he's gonna run out of ideas for new thumbnails? No, he has me. I never run out of ideas. He calls me up, I'll give him an idea. For now, he has his own ideas, and they seem to be brilliant. He doesn't need our help. Where's the daily flip here today? The daily flip happens at 1957.59. Can't really sell here. There's not enough range. How many pips was your biggest loss? I have no idea. I have a short memory, and I've been trading too long to remember. I'm sorry, all 400 or 350 of you on here right now that yawned with me. Your thumbnail hasn't loaded properly on my PC or PS5 last few days. Not sure if there's an issue or it's on my end, but just thought I'd let you know. No, it's on my end. But it should be loading properly right now. Like, try it right now, and it should load properly. Mr. We making me forget? No, I have a short memory because I really don't care. I don't care about what trades I took last week, what trades I took. Like, there are certain trades that stand out in my head because I've learned something from them. But just, like, losses, I don't know. I've had big losses. I've blown accounts, for sure. Today's candle, well, we are bearish based on the way the yesterday's candle closed. Based on the way yesterday's daily closed, we're bearish. I was stuck in Zoom waiting room, my bad. My bad. Come on in. What you learn from blowing accounts works. The thing you took big hit. Like, was it from over leveraging or over trading? Both. I would over leverage and over trade. And I would over trade, meaning I would trade not knowing what I'm trading. Just trading left and right. Up and down. I'm happy I can always put a smile on your face. Yes. What does RB2O? It's R2BO. It's the new Star Wars robot. Yes. Is it worth trading Asian session? Sure. Do you have much of a choice? Can you be like, ah, fuck it, I'll just be here for New York? If yes, and you have a family, go spend right now with your family and then show up for New York. Or for London, or whatever. Or just go play Warzone. I don't know. Counter-Strike. Fuck trading. Shit's a scam anyway. What's your favorite go-to meal after a workout? Gummy bears. I eat a bowl full of gummy bears. You recommend buying a funding account instead of trying to grow $100? Neither. I recommend taking $100 and not trying to grow it, but try to learn trading. You're not going to grow $100 into $100,000. Not going to happen. Wild, yeah, you can win the lottery, right? But like, it's not going to happen. You're not going to win the lottery. Because chances are it's not going to happen. The odds are stacked highly against you. Right? Same thing here with a $100 account. You're not building that to know 100K. Nothing. Ain't gonna happen. But you could learn how to trade, and then you can trade bigger capital, or you can learn how to trade and then buy yourself a funded account and then get a bigger capital. You find trades in Asian session? Yes, we are 26, 5, and 7 in Asian session this year. What do you think about when you lay in the grass and just look at the sky? I think about where the fuck is my lighter so I can light this bitch. Or how the fuck did I get here? I don't know. One of the two. Chicken rice or ground beef rice? Boneless chicken sunny side up rice. Playbook focuses on every time frame, falling in line. You could have one play from the playbook on the hourly, right? You could have the onion on the hourly and have a celery on, or a fake out on the 30 or the 5, and then have a celery for entry, all on one position in different time frames. Didn't know you can breakdance. Me neither. Came to me in a dream. You have any other source of income from trading and YouTube? Yes. Works my family opening a poutine shop. If you're in Toronto, please come visit. Oh, for sure. When I come visit Don in Toronto, we're going to your poutine shop. Glenn, what's the deal? Park your wheelchair, hop in. Well, here we go. Range. Range 1. Range 2. Anything above this area, we good for buys. Technically, anything below here is good for sells, but this is also the point at which the daily will flip here. If we go to the daily, and the daily flips here, you see? This area. But we can't take any sells there unless, because the levels on the 5 are so unclear and there's a lot of support here, a lot of play here, and barely any advantage points with a decent enough range. Because of that, ideally, the only way we'll trade at this area is if these candles drive down. If we get a nice drive down back into range 1, right? If we can come down here, and clear this whole range out. At that point, once we come back up, right, close above here, the first bearish closure below this area will be our entry. Right. As soon as this happens, our entry will be right here. We will look to fill this range. And until this right here happens, we can't think about taking any positions in this range. Because right now we have these levels right here, and they need to be cleared out. We need price to drive through this area, through this entire area, to clear it out. All right, capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
All right. Enjoy the music. Alright, there should be audio on Zoom now. Sorry, I just fixed it. Double checking. Is there audio on Zoom now? Yeah, there's a box I gotta check off, so on Zoom, so you guys get to hear my computer audio. Been no volume past week. It's alright, just pay attention to the charts. Used to watching the charts, not trading. It's okay. How do you feel about the 4 hour have no bottom wick? Still got 30 minutes in this 4 hour. Let's see if we flip. Alright. We're having some really good New York sessions though, huh? This whole week. I have 3 trades this week. No, sorry, 4. I have 4 trades this week. All New York session. 3 wins and 1 break even. How's the game going? The Heat games? Oh, not the Heat game. Lakers game. Panthers are playing. Probably lurking in the background somewhere. I don't know. I think he's doing stuff. He's always busy. Do you like the stream? Yeah. You know what? As a matter of fact, I just like the stream. Chat, you too. You see, I need a reminder to drop a like here. So, no offense, but you know, with all due respect, but most of you need a reminder. So drop a like, sub to the channel. Almost at 420 viewers. Once we get to 420, you know what the deal is. I'm extra tired today. I'm gonna pass out right after this. There you go. 420 viewers. I guess I gotta do it. Do it for the gram, Wix. Do it for the gram. Or 20 viewers. What's going on? Where's the 800s? Because it's been ranging, right? The session's been ranging. Man, I need to stream Asian session. Nothing to do but chill. Yeah? I guess. Try it. Do it. More power to you. Wix logs coming soon. I've been trying to get them going. I knew I should have stayed home. All right. What a wee, what a wee, what a wee da. You guys seen today's IG reel? That's what I do every time I step away from the computer. So if you guys see me walk away from here, probably in my living room right now doing backflips. Hope you all caught the great drop this morning. Yes. Tony in the building. This is a milestone for what's coming next year. It brought me so much more than wisdom, and I thank you. Yes. Minutes. Let's see how the 4 hour closes. Cheers, everybody. Let me crack a window, crack a door, turn on a fan. There's a whole method to this madness here. Oh damn, this light's out. It should be out like a light. Like a light. Oh, I guess the 4 hour flipped. Remember we were saying there's no bottom wick on the 4 hour? Well, there is one now. Anybody want to buy free BC? It's the 1 hour, sir. Yeah, but the 4 hour closes at the same time. This 1 hour close. That's why I said the 4 hour. Oh, yeah. Sorry. The 1 hour has a bottom wick. You're right. I'm sorry. Wicks, you should trade the Ganfen. Which button do we answer that one with? Still working full-time job and trying to do it to trade. No, to go full-time. Life is something else though, you know? Yes. I know. I've been there. Looks you high right now? No. I just rolled. Like, literally just did that in front of you, lit it in front of you, stepped outside, and put it in an ashtray, and walked right back in here. Why? Because for some reason I wanted to pull, but I don't feel like sitting there and smoking right now. There we go. I'm watching the Panthers Hurricanes game. Watching, lot to watch. The Lakers Nuggets game. Helping you travel, come to Australia, bro. Take care of you, promise. When I come to Australia, I will let you guys know. It seems like a long flight. I'd be out like a light. Wonder if Wooks got his TD account back. No, but I do have an option to withdraw it. I'll post the withdrawal. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Lakers in 6? No, I think Denver in 5. Wait. What? Want to bet on it? No. No. Whoa, crack is whack. Thanks, buzzkill. Literally, thanks, buzzkill. This guy's always telling people not to do things. Remember last time you were telling people not to drink or something? I was like, alright, buzzkill. How appropriate. Oh, shit. You support crack use? No. I support tramp stamps above the crack. I'm a tramp stamp supporter. Crack is whack. Tramp stamp effects. Spent my last 1,000 on some cracking a stripper. See, this is why a lot of you guys don't have money right now. Not because you give it all to strippers, but because your priorities are fucked up. It's because you'd rather give it all to strippers than do something productive. You guys don't value the hard-earned dollar. I don't think any amount of trading is going to make you value the hard-earned dollar until you actually see a whole lot of setbacks here. Shout out to you, Mahmood. I'll never go to a strip club again. Lost my 10,000 trading my college tuition. F it. Ay vey. That's an L word. Lost 40K in space of a month. Well, that better have been some really good education you got there for that 40K. If you learned something, otherwise it really is that, a loss. I was gonna be a doctor, but I went for a buy. Now I'm crying my ass off on the charts and I don't know why. Bob Trading, appreciate you. Yeah, you've been here since GJ? You've been with us since the good old days? Impressive. Thank you. Well, there goes the 4-hour flip. We might stuck in this range, possible. That's how do I never get myself to go where I want to be whilst everything else is dragging me down? I'm losing focus, go close, no one understands, you know? We understand, no one in your life will. Stop telling everyone what you're going through and go through them, you know? Just, work on yourself, vibe alone for a while. Said it yesterday, right? Your struggle seems like a lot because your calling is higher than just doing whatever you're doing. So you're going through a struggle, right? What did we say the other day? Oh yeah, you can't hope for both an easy life and an epic story, right? We said that the other day. If your trials are trivial, so are your accomplishments. You know what I mean? Any updates about traders that may withdrawal issues? Yeah, they're open. You can log in and start your withdrawals today, as of today, if you want to withdraw. Or you can keep it on there and trade on the new broker. Yeah, you know what you got to do, back chaser. Just do it. It's not enough to just know you can do it. Just gotta do it. Hour gave us a bottom wick and reflip bullish. With bearish, bottom wick and reflip bullish. We're just ranging. Trees on the outside is down. As of today, it's supposed to be up. Not through the old link. They sent out a new link if you're just check your email. Check your email and there's info if you're a client. There you go, Green dropped the link. Thank you, Green. Any trades taken today? Today, yes. Asian session, no. Is TD still a good broker? TD is no longer in existence, but the company that took over for TD, it still remains to be seen. That's right now. No, he's around. Hey man, what would you do if you was 20 and just got introduced to trading new a few months ago? Are you asking for a friend? Me at 20 is not you at 20. I had a completely different mindset. I wanted to party at 20. I would have been like, Forex? Nah, this shit's too big for me. I'll wear a medium. Fuck this. I'd be out. Like a light. I'd be out. I didn't want to do nothing. I wanted to chill, party, enjoy my 20s. I wasn't concentrating on money until I was like 24. Would you be comfortable saying how much your startup cost was for your first business? It was more than expected. We went into red and then we borrowed money because it was a lot more than we expected, and then we borrowed more money, and then we spent about 18 months paying back what we borrowed. Total startup cost of my first business was like around 250 to 350,000 probably. What is your most successful business besides trading? Trading is by far the most, like, it's not even close. Trading is by far the most successful, biggest grossing thing I do. Like, by far, it's not even close. Talking Tell podcast. Thank you for being here 3 days in a row. That's loyalty. Appreciate you. You're building a habit. Just the nature of the Asian session. Just relax. It's a slower. It's more of a wind down session, right? So we really get to bullshit here. We get to discuss things. If you don't understand things, we can go over them. Ask questions while you have access, right? No, I didn't take my money out yet. Last stream of the week? Well, Asian session, yes. But then we're going to have tomorrow morning, last stream of the week for Devious altogether, New York session. And then we are going to have the Sunday unfiltered session. Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Don Bo is the gentleman that runs the New York session live stream, and I'll be on his stream in the morning, 8 p.m. 6:30 a.m. Eastern, live on YouTube. Lane didn't strike twice. I doubt something like this would happen again with TD. Yes, I mean that's what I was saying. Like if they survive this and new company takes over and things are getting processed, people are getting payouts and there's trading going on and it's spreads are good, and you know, like I would probably have more confidence in the new company and keep a certain amount of funds in there. What do you think about the people that says that trading will make you lose your money and that is about always gambling? I don't think like that, but I want to know your opinion. I think they're right when it comes to 99 or 90% of the people trading. I'm not of that opinion. But just his experience, his perspective. Or whoever says that. Their experience, their perspective. People are like, yeah, what the fuck? Like, I can't get this and other people are getting it. Bullshit, right? That's a scam. They're definitely lying because I can't get it. Best financial advice you have, not trading related? Yes, invest in your friends, not in strippers. What if you're friends with a stripper? Hell. Yeah, what if you're friends with a stripper? Then it's a double whammy. Then you're helping both. Yeah, it's the ass and feet range. Worst advice I've ever heard. How do the firms that offer a trial, FTMO, or EA funding would be? I have no idea. Oh, you guys are having your own conversation there. I got it. Never mind. So what happened? The 5 made a bottom wick. The 4 made a bottom wick. Nothing but clean range above here. Let's see if we can close above there. What do you think of prop firm challenges? Learn to trade. And then if you have no capital by the time you're done learning, use a funded account. Well, you've been trading for 4.5 years. What's your target? 68 to 70. 68, 69 areas. If we come up above there. If we come up above 61.274. Typical lot size, 10. Damn, Jack, still no thumbnail? It's crazy, there should be a thumbnail. I added it. Maybe it was taking a while to upload or load. Buy or sell? Neither. At the moment for me. Killed US 30 today, came vibe out today. W. Nice. A lot of people do that. Not everybody trades here. Not everybody trades the same way we do. Not everybody trades Asian, but a lot of people come here to vibe out. And get value. Yeah. How did you and Don meet? He subscribed to my OnlyFans, and the rest is history. You gonna wait for bottom wick after closure? I'm gonna wait for a closure first. Not the OnlyFans. We have 420 likes. Barely at 200 here. 420 likes. Hard vouch for a friend, alright? $420 likes. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Hey, it's Thursday. If you're missing Asian session over the weekend, join Wix's table. Join us at the table. This way you get to hang out with us on Sunday. Open mic, open cam, no delay. Longest streak, thank you and Don for helping me, giving me new POV in my trading. For sure. It's been 3 weeks, started trading again. I'm taking a break, 18th of April. I'll take a break because I took my first ever loss of the year after being probably constant in November to March. Damn. Want to get to 100 lots? I don't know. I just want to get better. I feel 1960 is a resistance price, wants to break out, has to create a new higher high around 1962 area, can retest it before drying up. What are you thinking? I think we will have to retest 1958, 59 after closing above 61. Too steep, these areas. We can come down to these areas after we close above. So 1959 areas, 58, 59 after we get this closure above. Right, we want candles to come down in this area before driving up. The goal is to really avoid this and to be in from here to here. That's the idea. I will see it print on a smaller time frame. We'll see the 5-minute range print here on a small time frame with that 1 hour bottom wick or 30-minute bottom wick. First we gotta come up here. Damn, I missed that flip. I stepped away for a sec. I knew it was coming too. Yeah. So I mentioned, is this also a higher high, higher low concept on 5-minute? I don't know. I don't look at higher highs, higher lows. I just look at price points, which price levels we tap. The backflips, yeah, I was just doing backflips off camera. Damn, look at this liquidity that we just grabbed. We flip here on the hourly, and we're back in range, right below here. 30. Another range in Asian. Yeah. Wow, what a rejection. Do we have enough volume to continue driving, or are we going to continue ranging? Had to rewind the stream to your analysis. Nice. Yes. You did the smart thing, right? We have time here. We're not locking in any position as of yet. As of right now, you had 10 minutes to watch, go back, or 5 minutes, and you did that. Now you don't have to come in here saying, can you do your analysis, please? I appreciate you, righteousness. You're a W. You're a walking W. Wix, how can I address timing? In what sense? You want to talk to timing? Talk about timing. Address it. Beautiful Yahweh. I'm improving with accuracy in my analysis, but I'm usually a day ahead. What? You're ahead of your time, bro. Visionary. Me too. We're a rare breed. Unless you're back testing. Maybe you're back testing, bro. That's why you're always ahead. Oh, chat, hold on. Yo. Hey, yo, way. No, she ran in. She said, I want water. And she was holding a bottle of water. I was like, so you got water? She's like, no, I want your water. So she took my water while she had hers. It's crazy. I just got jacked. How you gonna do that to me? Dad. What kind of water you drink? I got the alkaline. I got that H2O. You be your own people, hell yeah. You be the people that love you that seem to hurt you the most. Sometimes when they die, you find yourself cursing their ghost. You guys know who said that? Drink tap. Crazy. Drink tap. Is that grabbing liquidity? No, it's unicorn urine. Only magical stuff here. Yeah, there's volume. Grab liquidity to drive down. Look at this, we're filling the range down, chat. Might get some positions here to retest the lows. Can't trust people that drink tap water. Hey, make your immune system stronger. My immune system's good, yo. I used to swim in the Hudson. I grew up in Brooklyn. I swam in the Hudson, yo. The mob would fucking drop off dead bodies in the Hudson, right? Like, my immunity is built the fuck up. Alright, hold on a sec. Dead bodies water, word. Shit hits different. Alright, so remember how I said we can have a position here. At this area. If you guys remember the beginning of the stream, we said we could have a position in this area, but the only way it would, yo, what the fuck is going on? Let me draw that for a second. The only way we can do that is if we just drive through here right now and then come back up above it. Start heading back down. It's a good closure, but your advantage point here is very small, so that's why we want this range to get filled, all the orders to get cleared out, and then come back above here. Yeah, you gotta be careful on this range. We're not gonna have a range 2 breakout in this session. Look at the liquidity we just grabbed. It's not gonna happen here. For our growth, grab liquidity, build the range down. There's more range to come down. Sell stops.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Careful. And no, you guys are looking for the sturdy closure here. Careful. It's been a long day. Daily flip, we should be able to drive down and fill the daily wick down to 1952. It's a matter of time. When's that gonna happen? And if it's going to happen, we'll see an indication of it on the smaller time frame, which is RQ trade. Is it time to hit the devil's lettuce? I'm slowly hitting it back and forth every time I walk off screen. Props to the Lakers if they steal one in Denver, yo. Oh, what's up? By the way, Wix, I'm still confused of the range 1, range 2 breakout. Could you please explain it or maybe give an example? Thank you. Okay. All right. So let's say this. We have range 1. Right. We have a support. We had a resistance over here. Now, if you notice, I don't mark up support resistance. I mark up more of a level that we tend to drive from, right? But overall, you get the idea. Support, resistance, forms a range, range 1. Another resistance, range 2. Coming from range 1 into range 2, chances are that price will come back from range 2, from this whole area, down to range 1. Oh, hold on. Looks off is here. She said I'm taking too long. Alright, so probability dictates if we're heading up from range 1 into range 2, chances are we're going to come back down into range 1 and fill range 1 again. This is what probability dictates. You are more likely to fake out heading from range 1 to range 2 and come back down than you are to head up. But on the off chance that you do head up and now close from range 2 to range 3, let's say, let's call this range 3 above here, then chances are that you are going to continue driving up, That's what probability dictates at that point instead of coming down. Now, this right here would be the higher probability play, where from 1 to 2, this is the higher probability trade to come back down. All right? So from range 1 to range 2, you learn how to avoid a fake out. You could take advantage of the fake out, fill the range down, and if you do end up coming up here, you don't trade this, but once you close, because over here probability is not on your side. But once you do come up here, you trade this. And you don't look to come back down in range here. If that happens, you would have to come back down in range here and still come back down below this range for a range to break out the other way. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Perfect. As you can see here, every time we've left from this range and come up into this range, we went back down, come up to here, and back down to this range. Now we come up to here, came back down. You understand the probability of coming back from range 2 to range 1 is much higher than for us to drive up here. And because look how many times we drove up, came back into here. Drove up, came back into here. Drove up, came back into here. Probability. But once you do break up above here, probability will dictate that you're more likely to head up. Fuck that beat. Hopefully they got it. I think that is. Oh, it's done. Oh, close back in range, filling this range down. We want some closures below 1954.056. And the reason I want that is last time we closed below here, look, we drove down. So this is what we want to emulate. This is what we want to mirror, this price action here. We see this level coming across. We see this closure below here, and the next candle drives down to this area, right? This is roughly 15 to 20 pips of an advantage point, 17 pips. So this candle right here comes down and closes below this 5 right now that's coming down. We got 2 minutes 20 seconds on it. This comes down here and closes below 1954.056 like this. Oh, hold on, check. So yeah, you guys already see it. If this happens and we close like this, it's not going to be off the rip. We're going to have buy stops once the next candle comes up, makes a top wick for this current 5. It'll be a previous 5 at that point. And then this is our trade. We'll need to grab liquidity above these areas. Oh, wait. We need to grab liquidity right here. Alright, first let's get a closure below 1954.056. Well, as a wise man once said, maybe the next 5. Might be another hour till we get a top look. Anything's possible. In the chat. Trying to take the trade going up to grab liquidity. What? No. Looking for selves. There's a trading link. We dropped it earlier. Shit, you're late. Rico is late. There you go. Florida's up 2-1 on the Hurricanes. There it is. Thank you, Green. There's the top wick. I expect it to come down here. Break our 1954.056 level. But will we stay below it? Pennsylvania, I used to. For now, they're closed. You can't trade on it. Music loud? Nah, that's that weed. That weed be loud. Music's perfect. There you go. It's that cryptochronic kind of like kicking in. Not loud enough. pretty confident I'll get my money back. I'm pretty confident people will get paid out. Even though you didn't fund it, can you recommend the funded website? I can't recommend something I don't know anything about or that I haven't done, right? How can I put my name behind something? I'll give you a recommendation and I have no clue what the fuck I'm talking about when it comes to funding. What did you like from trading? What do I like about trading? The freedom it gives me, the springboard that it provides for other opportunities, the fact that I'm good at it, those are obvious things, right? But I discovered myself in trading, right? This trading has humbled me like no other thing or person or event has ever humbled me before, right? This is a very humbling experience. And I think that was the biggest gain from my life was being humbled by trading. That was the biggest I look at life overall completely differently today than I did when I started trading. It brings it doesn't matter who you are in your other life, past life, you're a cop, a janitor, CEO or doctor, it doesn't matter. That will not in any way, shape, or form translate to success here. Right? So when we all show up here, we start with a clean slate and get ready to be humbled. No matter how much success you've had in other fields. Or if you had no success and you think this is your way out, get ready to be humbled. Yeah, this I can't teach you how to be profitable. I can guide you and show you what I do. Okay, but take you to the water. I can lead you to the water. Can't make you drink it. Same thing here, right? I can guide you through certain things, but it's your own application of what you pick up from us that's going to determine how profitable or unprofitable you are, or how long you last in this industry. Gatorade. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Mama said, Forex is the devil. Yo, Santiago, drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on notifications. Hey Siri, remind me Wix 9 is on 8 p.m. Eastern every weekday, Monday through Thursday. Wasn't done coming to the stream? Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. He's probably chilling with Shorty. Were there any times you wanted to give up trading? No. There were many times where I questioned my abilities and myself, right? But I never said, maybe I should just quit. Never crossed my mind. Can you please see the 1 minute time frame? What does this parallel candles mean? It means it's ranging on the 1 minute. I don't know. It's created a range, but are you trying to give yourself a heart attack? Get off the fucking 1 minute. What are you doing? Times just sub. Beautiful. Time does Asian session start? We start here at 8 p.m. Eastern. After closure below, I want a top wick to around 1958. Or a 5 minute range created. Did you ever believe gurus and realize they weren't legit and made you quit? Just are people fucking trading live in front of you and giving you positions live? Oh, almost. Like, have common sense. Do your due diligence. You don't need to buy a course. Score! 2-1 Florida. Asian is hard. That's what she said. That drummer guy is about to be fired. That was a delayed reaction drummer guy. Your ass is fired. Can we get the scratch guy in here? Beautiful. You're hired, scratch guy. Drummer guy, you're fired. I hope none of yous were in cells here as we were driving down at around 1954, 55 areas. Hope you guys avoided those cells for the time being. Damn, the 1 hour pulling all the way back. Scalp that shit. Enjoy it. Wait, Wix, we gotta talk about your IG story. Talk about it. Is 75 better than 94? I think so. It's 1 hour about to fucking flip bullish. We call it a session. Well, here's the thing, right? MetaQuotes has stopped support. They've discontinued support for MT4, right? So now if your broker offers MT4 and MT5 and you have a choice, and MetaQuotes still provides support for MT5. Also, the licensing for MT5 is much more expensive for your broker, right? So now if some shit goes down and happens in MT4 and your broker can't fix it and they reach out to MetaQuotes, MetaQuotes can't help you because they don't provide no more support for MT4. MT5, on the other hand, they'll find a resolution, right? So I suggest it's costing your broker a pretty penny to offer you MT5 because of licensing. Maybe you want to take the latest and greatest with support instead of living in the Stone Age with Fred Flintstone or whatever. Join the Jetsons. Looks bro, before I go and see you in my session, why isn't your range sell below 1952 support as that was created much earlier than 1954? Form that question, just learning. 1952, because I think we can take advantage from 52 to 54. We can take advantage of this range. This is clean over here. It's 20 pips, 18 pips that we can take advantage of and be break even by the time it gets there. And as you can see, if we get a closure below, it'll fill it. And this is a very strong level. See, it never closes. Just reject it right off of it. But it closes below it, we're going to fill it. But it's important to wait for a closure. In this case, especially. I think I've answered all of Damon's questions. I think you had a question from yesterday that we never answered, Damon. I couldn't find it. You said you had a question, then we logged off. Yeah, Damon's always missing an answer to the last question of the night. But yeah, I appreciate you. No more questions. Thanks. Nothing wrong with MT4, no? Use it. That's what you like. He was waiting for his question before we logged off. Me too. Like, when is he gonna get his question in that I'm gonna miss? Yes. We'll See you Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern, Damien. Do you have LLC specifically for your trading? S Corp. New York tonight also works. New York is tomorrow morning for me. Yes. Paint graffiti? No. Wix mopped the shit out of the floor today? Yes. This is my day to clean the house. I was on cleaning duty. I was like, yo, which hoodie can I use that I'm never gonna use? Save my girl at least 2 hours of cleaning. OG Dan, I don't have that problem. And I run multiple MT5 terminals at the same time. Like right now I have 2 separate MT5 terminals open. Milk story? Yeah, it's a funny one. Oh, don't send me video. I believe you. But I don't have that problem. Something going on. Look, so why do you only live stream the Asian session? Because I'm already on Don's stream for the New York session, and I sleep during the London session. About to go sleep on stream. No, as soon as I get off here, as soon as we call it a stream, I'm walking right out that door, smoking my fat Jamaican joint, and then I'm going to pass out. I'm tired. It's been a long day. And when do you party during? I don't party. Yeah, guys, now it's, yeah, soon. What? Whoa, it's 10:02. It's our session here, gang, right? How did the hourly close? Did we close below support? 30 flip bullish. Yeah, we close respect. Hold all the way up. Gang, I think I'm going to call it a session here. Yeah, we're going to call it a stream. It's been fun. We've ranged the entire week, but we've had positions every New York session this week, so everything you learn here, we get to apply it in New York. Chat, thank you so much for showing up. Mods, I appreciate all of you. Green, you hold a special place in my heart. Clubhouse, everyone at the Clubhouse, Wix's Table, the Flex Room, thank you so much for showing up, and thank you for supporting. I truly, truly, truly do appreciate it. Drop a like, sub to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on Don Vo's New York session live stream here on YouTube. And we'll be back Monday evening for the next Asian session, 8 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. And we'll be live for the Sunday Unfiltered. If you've joined Wix's Table, Sunday Unfiltered will be live 8 p.m. Eastern, right? I'll see you guys on Zoom. That's our session. It's been fun. That's our week for the Asian session. And we got 2 more weeks of this month, right? And then it's half the year. We'll be halfway into the year. Oh, almost. No. At the end of next month. All right, gang. It's been fun. We laughed. We cried. We held hands. We shed a tear together. We got some nice. Damon asked his questions. We actually answered every single one of Damon's questions. That's a fucking W. That never happens. Straight W. All right. Let's everybody put your dancing shoes on. We're gonna have a wild time here. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Everyone, please exit panicking. Push everybody over on your way out. Knock everyone down. Just fucking run out screaming. Chat, by the way, these levels are still valid. We come down below 1954.056. Still valid. Just wait for that top wick. Wait for us to come back in range to 56, 57 areas, 58, and then drives down are still valid. Same thing for the range 2 breakout here above 1961.274. Okay, if that happens during London, you can still apply these levels. If it's going to happen pre-London, I'll show up and I'll probably talk about it or discuss it in my Discord. All right? All right, gang? All right. It's been fun. There you go. Chat. It's been fun with you as well. Love and wisdom to you all. And just like that, we are out. Busy. Welcome to the table. Good night, everybody.